You are eager to edit, enhance, and share the beautiful pictures and postcards you've collected during your journey. Before you start work with pictures in Adobe Photoshop CS, let's learn how to navigate the Photoshop CS work area and import photos into Photoshop CS. You will also learn how to open and view your photo collection. Let's begin our journey by learning about the Adobe Photoshop CS interface. When you complete this lesson, you will be able to open Adobe Photoshop CS and identify the components of the work area. Photoshop CS is a powerful image editing program with a variety of tools to create and edit images. To open Photoshop CS, click Start on the taskbar, point to Programs, and select the Adobe Photoshop CS option. Adobe Photoshop CS opens. Now that you know how to open Adobe Photoshop CS, click Next to check your understanding. Perform the necessary steps to open Adobe Photoshop CS. That's correct. To open Adobe Photoshop CS, click Start on the taskbar, point to Programs, and select the Adobe Photoshop CS option. The Photoshop CS work area consists of the menu bar, the options bar, the toolbox, and the palettes. When you start Adobe Photoshop CS, the welcome screen displays in the active image area. Point to each highlighted item to view detailed information. When you're done, click Next to check your understanding. Where is the palette well located in the Photoshop CS work area? Sorry, that's not correct. Click Repeat to try again, or click Select. Where is the palette well located in the Photoshop CS work area? Sorry, that's not correct. Where is the palette well located in the Photoshop CS work area? That's correct. The palette well is located on the Options bar in the Photoshop CS work area. In this lesson, you learned how to open Adobe Photoshop CS. You also learned how to identify the components of the work area. Click Next to learn how to import photos from a scanner and a digital camera into your work area.